a president, for instance, the President of the United States, is always using a conference prompter to talk to an audience. The text is scrolling by and it's nearly invisible, but in the corner of his eye, he can see the text scrolling by on a mirror. This is TP-800, a conference prompter made by Datavideo. And what it is a very easy to use conference prompter. As you can see, text is just scrolling by. Using a keyboard, you can adjust the text on the fly, or your director can adjust it using a PC on a distance. There's a Bluetooth remote optional available, which can control the speed of the teleprompter. So you can just very easily hold a live speech with the text scrolling by out of the corner of your eye. You can expand this system into multiple with a very easy HDMI master-slave construction. And yeah, TP-800 will be available soon. If you want more information, please take a look at our website, which is datavideo.com.